Alright mga idol, so ito yung bago nating gawang Honda TMX Alpha na 125, Honda TMX 125 Alpha na pina-commission sa atin ng RQS Grill sa Angeles City. Ayan po, thank you po RQS Grill. So ayan po, repainted po lahat, chassis, tank, side panel, then kinabitan natin ng Vinduro na handlebar, tapos windscreen, headlight with halo, grill inspired by Triumph, tapos propeller signal lights. Ayan, custom made fender, yan, bullet pipe, yan po, yan, custom made seats, and ang ating custom made na delivery box. Yan, stop taillight. Yan. Yan po. And speedo, round na classic side mirrors, grips. Yan po siya. So made by Infinity Motozone Builds, IMC Builds. Right?